Welcome back to our channel Quick Learning. So now our topic is that what is and why our accounting sheets are important and how to prepare a worksheet and explain its uses. So first of all, an accounting worksheet is a document used within the accounting department to analyze and model account balances. So a worksheet is useful for ensuring that accounting entries are derived correctly. So, it can also be helpful for tracking the changes to an account from one period to the next. So, this is an example of an accounting worksheet. As you can see, on first column we have the accounts, then we have a trial balance, then we have adjusting entries, then we have adjusted trial balance, then income statement and balance sheet. So, the components of accounting worksheet are mentioned in the red box from trial balance to balance sheet. So there are the 5 components of our accounting worksheet. So now this is an example of the worksheet. If you are planning to do your career in accounts department, so this is a very good example for you. Or if you have a student, if you are a student and you are preparing for your exam, so you should know how to prepare a worksheet. So it is for overnight auto services worksheet for the year ended December 31st, 2007. So on the left hand side we have the accounts like balance sheet accounts, then we have a trial balance, then adjustment, adjusted trial balance, income statement and balance sheet. So if you have all these information, then you can make your worksheet. So our worksheet explains in one place the relationships among our unadjusted trial balance, proposed adjusting entries and financial statements. Our worksheet is prepared at the end of the period, but before the adjusting entries are formally recorded in the accounting records. So on this slide, you can see that I insulated an abbreviated version of a worksheet. So the dotted lines indicate that some accounts are not listed for some purposes, and to complete a worksheet, follow these 5 steps. So first of all, you have to enter the ledger account balances in the trial balance column. Then you have to enter the adjustment in the adjustment column. So this is according to the previous slide. In my previous slide, I told you like this that you have to fill these components and some boxes are empty, as you can see. So this is the explanation of here, that all the information like the trial balance, adjusted column, adjusted trial balance, then the final income statement and finally the balance sheet all should be recorded. Then you will be able to calculate and give your worksheet. So now this is a very important question by you people. You frequently ask and DM me that why are accounting worksheets important. So basically, accounting worksheets are important for organizing a company's financial details and determining whether their business is financially healthy or not. So, professionals who use these spreadsheets can simplify their process by preparing a company's financial statement for each accounting period. So some benefits of using accounting worksheets include: number 1, improving the transferal of T accounts into the adjusted trial balance. Then number 2 is reducing the potential for errors while preparing financial statements. Third is highlighting the effect journal entry adjustments have on a company's overall financial statements. Then number 4, helping track a company's accounting cycle steps. Then number 5, identifying why financial statements may not be balancing properly. Number 6, tracking changes in an account between one financial period and another. And number 7 is that ensuring account documentation of all the details from an accounting period. So because of all these reasons, accounting worksheets are important. So thank you. That's all from my side. Kindly subscribe to my channel, comment and share my videos with your colleagues. Thank you.